Thank you.
I mean to say, sorry, to which everyone has something to contribute. Sorry.
Thank you. There's a gentleman there I can see, yes.
You actively pursued Henry Kissinger and wanted to see him brought to trial as a war criminal. Unfortunately, that's something I support. Unfortunately, it was a little bit derailed by obviously what happened at 9/11. I wonder what your thoughts are now about that, and whether you actually think you'll ever get him.
Well, it hasn't been totally derailed by 9/11. If you read the Washington Post on the 11th of September 2001, the front page headline was that Kissinger had been sued, had been given leave to be sued in a federal court in Washington, D.C., where the family of a Chilean general who'd been murdered on his orders had brought a case in their own justification. This case did, alas, somewhat fizzle out, it's true, but we did get that far, and it's on the record. He was visited by the magistrates in Paris, just as my book came out in French, by Judge Roger Leloir, a very courageous magistrate, and detained briefly at the Hotel Ritz before skipping town. He doesn't travel now without lawyers or travel without legal advice. He's been asked by judges in Chile and Argentina, Judge Rodolfo Corral, who did the great investigation of the death squads of Argentina, and the judge in Chile who ran the Pinochet case, to appear for questioning, and has refused to do so. So he's somewhat been circumscribed in point of his movements, and very much, I think, in point of his reputation. And his obituaries won't be quite the same. Though, if he dies in his bed, I think it will be a great disgrace to Western civilization. Or, not if he dies in his bed, he has the right to do that, but if he dies on the outside, it'll be a great disgrace to our claim to uphold the rule of law.